Sa nilabas na update ng Queen of All Media sa kanyang kalusugan ay binahagi din ni Miss Chris Aquino ang dahilan ng hiwalayan nila ng dati nitong partner na si Dr. Mike Padlan. Ayon sa Instagram post ni Miss Chris, ang rason umano ng pakikipaghiwalay ni Dr. Padlan sa kanya ay ang pagkakaroon nito ng autoimmune disease. Gusto daw kasi ni Dr. Padlan magbiyahe nang walang ibang iniisip lalo na sa kalagayan ngayon ni Chris Aquino. Gayunpaman, ayon kay Ms. Aquino, anuman umano ang naging dahilan ni Dr. Padlan nang makipaghiwalay ito sa kanya ay maluwag niya itong tinanggap. Ngunit kalaunan umano ay napagtanto ni Miss Queen of All Media na hindi umano talaga siya minahal ng kanyang ex-boyfriend. During this time of uncertainty, I am ready to share my painful truth. Time has passed. Dr. M did not love me. He chose to leave when my autoimmune conditions were multiplying. In my defense, the MD received the correct professional fees even when we were a couple. Alvin is calculating if he still owed more. I edited because there are two children whom I love. They will remain in my heart. Bim is my source of strength while M and M made me smile, laugh, and value life's simple pleasures. I know because of this post I won't see the two of you grow up. Please remember Mama Chris fulfilled her promises. Alvin brought your new iPads last night. Thank you Power Max Center for efficient delivery. I did bring you to school. We shared cotton candy, strawberry milk, and milk chocolate. Iniwan kita, masikip ang paligid. My prayer now is that we leave others out of our failure. I did cling and ask for too much because you restored my hope when in your arms I did feel safe. I don't regret loving you completely. Sanay akong mabigo. Last night, my rheumatologist tried ultrasound-assisted targeted steroid shots on my knees. My body reacted the same way it did 34 months ago after my steroid challenge. Bim is now doing MMA training and weigh less than 80 pounds, only 36 kilos. I can't walk, each step is agony. The excruciating pain is from my knees all the way to my feet, a combination of deep bone and nerve pain. I decided to post my current reality because I want to inspire. When you are unconditionally loved, when like me you are blessed with a son who will do all the lesson, his mama's physical and emotional suffering. Bawal sumuko. Tinitiis ko yung matinding sakit na parte ng bawat araw ko dahil ang pagmamahal ng anak ay walang katumbas. Life is difficult for all of us, but faith in God and real love proven by action give all the needed willpower to persevere. Thank you, God. Thank you to all for your continued prayers for my healing. And to my Northern Star, Bim, for being more than your mama deserves. I love you, ate. Thank you, ate, for taking care of Kuya now.